Hi, Naija Tribe. We have a little bit of a different video today, totally kind of off the beaten path. For those of you who don't know, who pretty much only know me as a chef, nutritionist, before I was all that, I've had a whole host of careers, but for the majority of my life, I was a professional cellist. I toured the world. I played in concert orchestras, opera orchestras, quartets, solo engagements, and it was my absolute true love in life until tragically one day, April 3rd, 2012, I had an accident and ruined my professional cello career. So I've transitioned from that point to becoming a patron of the arts. I was a music professor at UNCG and Bennett College. I taught music theory. I taught cello, teach private lessons, but nothing really super active like I used to be. I have a whole new life now. I have not pulled my cello out of its case in 5 years. The last time I played it was at my aunt's funeral in 2019, and it's been the case ever since. Until yesterday, when I heard for the first time the person named Jeff Castellucci. I was not aware of who he was. I was just scrolling on YouTube, and I love the song "Carol of the Bells." It always had like this ominous undertone to it. I knew it started off as a Ukrainian folk song that was adapted as a Christmas carol. And so I was always drawn to that particular song. And so I was like, let me hear. I saw low bass. And as a fellow bass clef musician, I was like, oh, let me check out this. And I was gobsmacked by the talent and everything I heard. And then when I read that he pretty much did everything, not just his vocals, but all the instrumentation, the scoring, the editing, the perform, everything, I was just like mind blown. And I was compelled to bring up my cello because I'm not a singer. I don't play piano. To just give you my authentic reaction as a former professional cellist and how amazing this piece is. And I hope that you all will take a listen to it and watch my reaction. So I'm going to go piece by piece and break it down as a former musician and just as a lover of music, my perspective. Here we go. Woo! Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and stop it. Just hearing that first, just opening up. Hearing the fire crackling, that sounds like the fireplace is there, but it probably isn't. So I'm sure it's some kind of drum package or something. And then Jeff kind of strutting in, looking good. And then the first thing I noticed is the cello crying. And it coming with that lovely minor descending scale with a G. E flat to the D. And then it goes down an octave. It's just a lovely contrast because it's such a sparse orchestration. So you have this lovely motif that you're going to hear occurring in the cello in the opening. You have this imperfect sparkling in the violins, and then you have this crisp brightness happening in the piano, and with the crackling happening in the background. So just the contrast of like textures in the very sparse orchestration captivates me immediately. Plus the actual visuals of what I'm seeing on screen, I absolutely love it. So I'm looking forward to see what's to come next. Hey Jeff. Love that perfectly coiffed hair. Good up jeans too. Yes. Harmony! Yes. That's that same motif the cello just played in the opening. And then immediately he disrupts what you expect because he's adding space. Instead of saying, hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, he goes, hark how the bells, space, sweet silver bells, space. That's not how it typically goes. So he's already taken us on a left turn as soon as it starts, and I love it. I love it. Let's see what's coming up next.
All seem to say, throw cares away. Dum, ding, dum, ding, dum, ding, dong.
Yes, so right out the gate, we didn't have to wait that long for that low G, which is down 2 octaves, but we had to wait that long for the low G. He came out. It was very satisfying. Like, so he gave us a little taste of what's more to come right in the beginning. So he's just already taken us on a journey, and we're like a third through the song. So this is amazing. So what's next?
Bells all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, making the bold. Something dong, that is the song with joyful ring. Everyone seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, o'er hill and dale, telling a tale. Gaily they ring, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas.
Yes! Okay. Epic! That sounds like a movie. This sounds like it should be in a movie. So he hits us with the different twists and turns. He adds the pauses in. We take these different left turns. And then Merry Christmas, G. And then it takes it down further. So he goes, Merry Christmas. So G, E flat, F major, D, F, G, and he's doing it down 2 octaves. But amazing, and then it's supported with brass. The brass playing those really low notes that in the same motif in the low register. He's singing in his sub harmonic range. And then you've got the crashes happening, and then you still got the ahs, which is just, it adds that breath. It's like that contrast, and you feel all this tension from this bass, and then it's kind of relieved with the like, it's such an awesome contrast. You just feel all this emotion. It's just amazing. Just rewind it a bit. Like, that's just, oh, it's so good. It's so good.
Christmas, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas.
See, he keeps adding these interruptions. He adds these breath moments, or he adds just some unexpected breath. So, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. And you keep doing that. I know I can't sing, guys. But anyway, he's doing all that. And then when you think he's about to go straight into like he had done previously, you hear like this, I believe, a glockenspiel, because it sounds like the same kind of thing like you hear in Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. But I could be mistaken. I've been out of orchestra a while. So comment below if that's a glockenspiel or for something else. But you hear like this, the motif, D, D, D. And then he comes in with the crash with the low G and the brass and the drums, and then the relief of that tension with those again. It is epic. This is so good. Let's just hear that one more time. Not even for your sake, for my sake. It's so good.
Raising the sound. Sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas.
Wait. Here. Woo! So it's like a rocker bar. I love it. Like 90s rock. Back to that. Oh, just exceptional. This is how I'm spending my birthday. The day of recording this is my birthday. Um, I'm just in love. My first true love in life has always been music, and I'm happy to spend a day like this. Hopefully, you all are entertained as I am by this. I know this is totally different from my normal content. If you're interested in seeing more musical reactions, let me know. I could do this all day. For a lot of things, for a lot of different types of music, lots of different genres. But Jeff Castellucci, I hope I said that correctly. You are amazing. This arrangement is stellar. I love it. And any accolades you get, you deserve and more. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. See you in 2025.